ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ ನಾನು.
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಏನದು?
ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರೂ ಹಾಕಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. What is it, Riya? ಬರೀ ಇಂಥದೆಯಾ? I said undergarments.
Once in a year.
You're making me anxious. Feelings?
Yeah, parents' expectations on our result.
Our emotions.
यूनिवर्सिटी के इंटरव्यू में भी इतना डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं था.
ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುನ ಹುಡುಗ ಹುಡುಗಿ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋತಾರೆ? ಏನದು?
ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ ನಾನು.
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಏನದು?
ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರೂ ಹಾಕಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ, ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
ಬರ್ಡೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು.
ನೋ.
What is it, Riya?
ಏನಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಯಾ ಕಮಿಂಗ್.
Treatment.
It is not makes no sense.
ನೋ. What type of treatment?
No, normal treatment.
No.
Hospital, little hospital.
No.
If you get injured or something.
No.
No. I don't know. I have no.
No, bro, I don't know. कपड़े.
हम तो कपड़े खरीदते दिवाली पर.
No, no.
Books.
No. Every month will buy.
सोच. मैंने जो बोला वही बोलना तू.
What she said?
आप ही बोलिए.
What is that?
No.
I'm not telling that. I really don't know.
एजुकेशन.
No.
एक ईयर में एक साल ही तो करते हैं. एजुकेशन कैसे होगा रे? कोई पेरेंट्स आधे पैसे भरते हैं.
They'll buy,
They buy.
once.
बाय नहीं
What is
करते,
the
वो पे
thing?
करते हैं कि हम लोग को सिखा रहे पे
Once in a year they will buy it. What is that?
एवरी ईयर और
Year by year. Yeah.
बोलो.
कौन बरी इंतदया.
No.
Birthday cake. Yeah, birthday cake only comes once a year. See, I'm giving good points with that.
Only once in a year.
Yeah, only once.
You can't
Can't
buy
buy
more than
again.
once.
No, only once. Only once in a year. No. ಏನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Backlogs.
Insurance.
Insurance. No.
Birthday present.
No.
Age.
Age.
1 year.
Buy, bro.
No idea.
once in a year.
Yeah.
It has to be. No, you don't buy that once in a year. We buy three times a year.
What's going on your mind?
You should ask her. She was the one who expressed her opinion.
What is that?
I said undergarments.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋ ವೇ.
What is that?
I said undergarments.
Once in a year.
I mean, like I think maybe like ornaments, like something like rings or something.
No.
Mango?
Huh?
Mango?
Mango.
It's seasonal. Yeah. Why would you? Oh yeah. She said I don't know. I have no idea.
Something.
Something.
You're making me anxious.
Friendship band.
Yes.
Friendship band.
Oh, that's
Yeah, I don't buy it because I have no friends.
Friendship band. Okay.
Friendship band.
Oh.
Friendship band. Friendship band. Friendship band.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया.
ಯಾವೊಂದು ವಸ್ತುವಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು 5 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ?
ಐಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವೊಂದು ವಸ್ತು ವೇಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ 5 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ?
ಗಾಳಿ. ನೀರು.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
Blinky Candle,
ಅಲ್ಲ.
Dry ice.
Relationships.
ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು.
They have weight, but no one is ready to hold them.
Cotton candy.
No.
अरे यार.
Cotton candy तो थोड़ा weight रहता ना. It will be some weight, right? At least 1 gram, 2 gram. But this, it has no weight actually.
Feelings.
Feelings, yeah.
Feelings.
Feelings ah. No.
Yeah, parents' expectations on our results.
Weight ಇರಲ್ಲ.
Ice cubes, huh?
ಅಲ್ಲ.
Ilina.
ಇಲಿಯ. ಇಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Our emotions. Maybe our burdens in life. I don't know, bro.
Secret.
Sand.
Sand at least we have some. Sand at least we have some weight, right? Some grams of.
Your breath. Your breath.
Oh, damn, Joe.
Your breath.
Yes. Obviously. Right, good answer.
Breath.
Breath. Usrata. Okay, fine. Super answer.
Air.
At least
I'm
you
not
said
that
only
dumb.
one answer. Huh?
Air. Oxygen.
Yes. Which is the tree that no one can climb?
Coconut tree.
Everyone can climb coconut.
Bamboo tree. They can. Is that a riddle kind of a thing?
No, it's not a riddle kind. It's like a.
It's a fact.
Yeah.
ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದು? ಇದು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ.
Coconut tree.
No, you can climb.
Date.
Bamboo,
Date.
bamboo.
Khajur ka pe.
No.
Sugar cane. Sugar cane.
ಯಾವ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ
No.
ಇವು ಬೇಡ ಬ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್. ಬ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ तो चढ़ते हैं.
Give the answer.
Wait, I give up again.
Hey, give up.
इतना मेरा इंटरव्यू मेरा ट्रेन यूनिवर्सिटी के इंटरव्यू में भी इतना डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं था.
It is a very easy answer actually. She is near.
जल्दी बोल क्या बोला था?
Fan.
बोला एंड मैं कौन सा क्या बोला मैंने?
I really don't know.
एप्पल ट्री.
No.
एप्पल
एप्पल ट्री नहीं होता है.
पीवट नहीं. एक नंबर की पीवट नहीं है रे तू. पीपल का पेड़ होता है ना?
No.
No, खजूर का पेड़ ना,
No,
date
khajur,
tree.
no.
No one can climb that.
No.
Coconut tree.
Coconut tree everyone can
try.
climb. Which tree you climbed bro, till today?
I don't climb trees.
Then what you climbed?
Stairs.
What is that?
I'm not sure. I haven't climbed any tree.
Ancestry. I don't know.
No.
Gangotri.
Gangotri. No.
Okay, I have no idea.
Poetry.
I don't know.
Equalitips.
Mind tree.
Answer ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬನಾನಾ ಟ್ರೀ.
Banana.
You can't climb that.
How will they get the banana down?
ಬನಾನಾ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬನಾನಾ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬನಾನಾ ಟ್ರೀ. ಬನಾನಾ ಟ್ರೀ.
Okay.
Is it right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Banana tree. No one can climb,
No one
right?
really leave it.
बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया.